Vallabhbhai Patel was a prominent Indian independence activist, barrister, and statesman who played a crucial role in India's struggle for freedom. Often referred to as the Iron Man of India, he was known for his strong leadership, administrative skills, and unwavering commitment to national unity. Born on 31st October 1875 in Nadia, Gujarat, Patel was the fourth of 6 children. He grew up in a rural environment and received a basic education. Despite facing financial constraints, Patel's determination led him to pursue legal studies. He passed the district leaders examination and established a successful legal practice. Patel's political journey began in the early 20th century when he joined the Indian National Congress and became a disciple of Mahatma Gandhi. He quickly rose through the ranks, becoming the key figure in the Indian independence movement. Patel's leadership was particularly evident during the non-violent civil disobedience movements such as the Kheda Satyagraha and the Bardoli Satyagraha. Patel's contributions to India's independence were immense. He was instrumental in unifying the diverse princely states into the Indian Union, a task that required significant diplomatic skills and political acumen. His efforts to integrate these states into the newly formed nation earned him the title of Iron Man of India. After India's independence in 1947, Patel served as the first Deputy Prime Minister and Home Minister. He played a pivotal role in addressing the challenges posed by the partition of India and Pakistan, overseeing the rehabilitation of millions of refugees. Patel's most significant achievements was the integration of over 550 princely states into the Indian Union. Through diplomacy, persuasion, and in some cases firm action, he ensured that these states joined the Indian nation, contributing to its territorial integrity. As Home Minister, Patel oversaw the internal affairs of India. He played a crucial role in maintaining law and order, ensuring national security, and addressing issues like communal violence. Patel was a strong advocate for economic development and self-sufficiency. He supported policies that promoted industrialization and agricultural growth, laying the foundation for India's economic progress. Patel was actively involved in the drafting of the Indian Constitution, ensuring that it reflected the principles of democracy, secularism, and social justice. Patel's leadership and vision contributed to the building of a strong and united India. He emphasized the importance of national unity, tolerance, and respect for all citizens. Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel's legacy is deeply ingrained in India's history. His unwavering commitment to national unity, his administrative abilities, and his role in India's independence movement have earned him immense respect and admiration. In recognition of his contributions, the Government of India has instituted the Sardar Patel National Unity Award. Patel's life and work serve as an inspiration to generations of Indians, reminding them of the importance of unity, perseverance, and selfless service to the nation.